Alright, hey YouTube, this is Mr. Shiny Boy 19 here, and I'm just here to show you guys how to take apart an Xbox 360. It's not very hard. If I can do it, anybody can do it basically. But all you'll need is screwdriver, a T8 torque screw, one of those, and a T10 torque screw driver, and then you need a T4 torque screwdriver. I picked this one up at Home Depot for $5.97. It's a Husky brand torque screwdriver. No complaints. It's actually pretty nice. And these two torque screwdrivers I picked up from eBay off of a YouTube seller. I mean, an eBay seller. The eBay name is somewhere around here. Oh yeah, here it is. The eBay name number is 360_parts_n, the letter N, _accessories. 360_parts_n_accessories. See right there, if you can see that. But yeah, let's get to the video, and here we go. Alright, so you're going to take your T4 screwdriver, or actually no, before you do that, you want to take off your faceplate. Just rip it off, it doesn't break, see, just take it right off, and then set that aside. And then you want to go to the back, and then you see you got 5 screws right there, and then you got 2 right there. You want to take your T4 head screwdriver and then stick them into the holes to get it loose. See, there, and all these 5 screws. I'm gonna do that now. Once you hear it, you see how you hear it go snap? That means that they're open. They're opening. You got another one that's already opened. You got that one. You just got it like working around there to get the thing. And you see, now it's off. See that? Now it's off. I know, yeah, I don't want, like, cause like I already took off the sides, cause like mine, you know, kind of didn't come with sides, so like that's how it came. Like I bought it off of eBay for like $30 or whatever. But yeah. Now you got to take off the front. If you didn't take off your warranty sticker, do that now. It's right there. That would basically void the warranty. And then now all you got to do is see, you got 4 more. Got 4 more screws in the front. You got one. You got main like holes. You got there. You got one there. One more there. And there's one more at the end, right there. And basically, you can just easily take a nail, take that off. Just, you know, comes right up. The ones at the end are a little hard, but you know, just take the screwdriver, torque screwdriver, and just pry that open there. And just work that out there. Yeah, you see, you just gotta get it, like, you know, in there. Then your faceplate should come back up. That's unless. So now you just gotta flip it over on the back. There you go. Faceplate is off. Your bottom one should come off first. I don't know if your top one comes off. Beats me, but yeah. Now what you'd have to do is your eject button. So your eject button's right there. You wanna take that off, comes right off. See that? Doesn't break, nothing. Set that aside. Safekeeping. And now that that's all done, flip your Xbox over on the back where you can see the metal part, and then you'd want to take out there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws you want to take out to release the motherboard from the other half of the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. For this, you take your T10 screwdriver for some of them. Some of them, all of them aren't. Well, yeah, all of them are actually, as a matter of fact. You can take them out little by little. Actually, did I say 6? I meant 7 actually screws. I think you have to take out about, or 8. I think it is 8 actually. Sorry. You just take those out. Take those out. They're really not, you know, it doesn't take that much work. Just cut them off like that. See? Alright. Now you should take your thing up. Your, you know, you should be able to take it up now. Now you have that. Set that to the side. You have the other half off. So this side. Now your inner workings should be exposed. Your vacuum, your motherboard. I mean, not your motherboard. Your disk drive, heat sinks, RF module actually, and yeah. You want to take your screws and actually put them to the side. As a matter of fact, one of mine just fell. That's what you saw me do in the video. Take those and put them to the side. Find those later. Find the other one later. And now, what you'd want to do is, you'd want to take your T8 head screw bit, whatever thingy, and then you take it, and then there's 3 screws in the front you want to take off. 1, you don't want to take it off. It's 1, 2, and there's a third one over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. One, 2, 3. And make sure to check out my eBay page. It's Xbox Mods and Repairs. User ID. I'm on there. I fix Xboxes, Xbox 360s, 3 red rings of death. You know, basically fix it. Here's your RF module right there. This is what you should have. Alright, now here's your drive. You just want to take this up. It won't break anything, just take it up. No, it didn't break anything. It shouldn't break anything. Then you just want to, there's these screws up the way. Make sure you keep all your screws so you don't want to lose a screw and then, like, you know, you're screwed, basically. Now, you want to take out these 2 wires right here and then just simply give them a pull. And then if you want to go even further, you can take them out of the thing. I'm not going to do that to mine because, you know, and then, like, now, let me set that to the side. You want to take your vacuum, just this white thing right here, right there. When I got my hand right here, you're going to take it and just jimmy it up. Pull it back, pull it up, and then pull it out. And it comes right out. And there you go. And then now, I think your hard drive should be able to come out. You should want to grab it by the heatsink first. And just pull. And then after you take out your fan, that's the fan cord right there. You don't have to just give that a good pull. That should come